morning, guys. My husband and I are putting another solar on the top. So we have more power when we go away. Free power. On the way to Bani. We're gonna get some cable wire with my partner.
Okay, so this solar panel is our bonus extra solar panel. We already have 3, but I need an extra one. And we don't know where to put it. There's no fixed place to put it, so we're just going to put it on top of the boat, but we want to secure it somehow. And we've put these aluminium spacers there to stop the boat cover from pressing up against the panels, otherwise the panels will overheat. And now we're also just putting this extra padding along here so that the metal doesn't rub up against the boat cover of the boat.
Where's the extra padding? Can you show it? Oh, that's the one.
Yeah, that's it there.
But you're gonna put
Yeah.
its of the panel. Okay.
So we run this cable here to the same cable as these solar panels,
Yeah.
and then we just fitted those like you saw, but it was a pain.
Yeah. Okay.
And now we're going to try and secure it
Yeah,
on the
secure.
other end.
Okay. Mm.
and straps. Okay, so I put these in. Those in. Just keep a little bit of space between the panels and the boat. Inside the boat is a boat cover, so you can see it bulging up there. What I didn't want that boat cover to bulge up onto the panels. So these things are achieving what we want. And we've also got some like padding there.
Mimi, Daddy. Look at me. Hello guys, I'm here on the top of our van.
Okay.
Checking our solar panel, what it look like, and will it look like very safely, and we are good. We're happy. We're happy the work that we had for 3 days ago. We've been working these things for 3 days, and now we're very happy with my sweetheart.
Okay, so this is the original install, and you can see this metal here, steel up against aluminium, but there's no insulation between the two, and they just sort of tend to rub up against each other. I mean, it's secure, but this is the new panel. It's slightly smaller, but that's kind of good because now we can put insulation between the housing and the solar panel, which we've got insulation in there now. And it's pretty durable stuff we got.
Okay.
Hopefully it's going to last. And that goes all the way around the edge. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's not going anywhere, hey? How secure that is.
It's very secure, yes. It's very secure. And that's my solar Pixar.
Hey guys, so with the new solar panel installed, as mentioned before, we had 3 solar panels. One of them broke, and we've now replaced that one, and we've also added the additional solar panel onto the roof. With the 2 panels that were working, we were only achieving about 6 to 7 amps, and our fridge uses about 5 amps, and there's not much left for it to charge and use the amp over the fridge overnight. So 6 to 7 amps really wasn't enough for us, but with 4 solar panels now we'll be able to see what we're achieving. We've got full sun outside now, and we'll be able to see how much we're achieving now to the batteries. I've just drained the battery a little bit with the we've just stopped for lunch. We've used the air conditioning for a little bit, and we should be able to achieve full bulk charge into our batteries now. So with the sun out now, you might be able to see we're getting 13.3 volts into the system, less the fridge, which is running on the compressor now, and according to Up here, it's I'm not sure if you can see that, we're achieving 20 amps, which is fantastic. Much better than 6 to 7 amps. And Susan's just cleaned the solar panels just recently, haven't you, sweetie?
Yeah.
So it's much better now, and we don't have to worry about power anymore, do we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks for watching.